guys, welcome back to our channel Kishore Studio. In this video we are going to see how to make valid art wall hanging. This is very simple and easy to do. To make this beautiful craft we have to need cardboard, A4 sheets and paints. That's all. Okay, we should not late. Let's go to the video. To make this art, first of all we need 3 cardboard perfect squares. So I have already done it. I used invitation card to make this perfect square. I have pasted A4 sheet like this for 3. Then we have to color 3 perfect square as any different colors. So bright colors are not suitable. So dark colors are much better than bright colors. I am going to use blue and green and red. So these are the contrast colors. Let's start. I use red, green and blue paint for painting these perfect squares. You can draw any of the valid art. I draw a simple valid art for all these 3. After finishing, give attractive borders. I have completed all these 3. By using a thread, we have to stick by using a glue or a feviquick. I am using both. So be careful while using feviquick. So I have completed a beautiful art, valid art wall hanging. You can paste backside a paper. So I am not pasting. So this is the beautiful valid art wall hanging. You also try at your home and comment your feedback in the comment section. Tata, bye bye. See you until then, Kishore.